Hey everybody, this is James with wstrades.com. I want to provide you an update here on ticker symbol AAPL or Apple Inc. Looking at some recent news stories here, saw this one about the Apple car is back in the news, but it's still a stretch from Barron's. It says Bloomberg caused a kerfuffle Thursday when it announced that Apple is accelerating plans for an electric self-driving car. A battery-powered autonomous iCar would mean new competition for existing automotive players. Says it all sounds like a tempest in a teapot. Apple isn't commenting, and no one knows whether Apple would actually make its own car from the ground up or join with an existing car maker, or when this car might actually hit the market. Says, well, a tempest in a big teapot. After Bloomberg's story hit shortly after noon, AAPL stock jumped about 2%. Tesla stock dropped about 2%. Ford stock dropped 3%. GM shed 2%. The S&P 500 and the Dow Jones Industrial Average were relatively stable, up about 0.4 and 0.2% respectively. A quote here that says, we continue to believe it's a matter of when, not if, Apple enters the EV race, and this will add another $30 plus per share of TAM to the Apple growth story over the next few years, wrote Wedbush analyst Dan Ives in a Thursday note reacting to the story. Let's check out some price action here, and you can see the 2.85% gain here on Thursday. This thing's pretty much in an uptrend since this point right here. You can see at the start of this 50-minute chart, it was kind of chopping around and going sideways, and then it started to rip into this uptrend. So definitely in a nice uptrend, rejecting the 21-day EMA pretty well here as this thing is moving up on this shorter time frame. Latest signal here, my trend reversal indicator is showing a buy here as it ran up to about 158.67 and pulled back to that 21-day EMA. My trend reversal indicator is bullish. Let's check out the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, it was really trapped within a range until it really had this nice breakout. You can see rejection here around 152, 153, and once it broke that, it's off to the races up to almost 159. Let's check out the daily chart. Daily chart is a pretty good uptrend. You can see pretty much in this entire time frame, it's in an uptrend. You had a nice little pump right here and a pretty good pullback. So, you have a little bit during these 2 points right here where they actually made a lower high. Then, it didn't sell off much more from that point and then had this huge rip up, dropping down again, and another rip. So, again, broke right through that level there. And it's at a new high on this time frame. Things are definitely looking good, looking bullish right now. On the daily time frame, though, you can see this thing has crossed over into the overbought area. So on this time frame, I would definitely expect a pullback to the 21-day EMA pretty soon here. So me, myself, I'm not really going long at this point with it being overbought. But maybe after this thing draws down a little bit, pulls back to the 21-day EMA, I might be looking for long entries there, depending on how it reacts to that exponential moving average. I'll continue to keep you guys updated on AAPL or Apple Inc. Please like this video. Please also subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. Hit that notification bell. Appreciate you guys for taking the time to watch this.